The Seng Khasi Mawlai has organized a dance festival popularly known as Mynsiem, or the Dance of Peaceful Heart, at the dancing ground in Mawlai, Mawroh. The festival is being held for 2 days. In the first day of the festival, there were a total of 61 participants, of which 33 were male dancers, while the other 28 were females who had come from the adjoining areas of Mawlai and took part in this festival, while the next day, which is the concluding day, various dancers from various parts of Shillong and also from other districts had come to take part in this dance.
Kini Shad kala pelat ya ka Mynsiem mendah, but hadin ba ki jing Shad ki bang ya pensat keleng-keleng ku Muhammadan he hang ni Muhammadan Shillong Mawroh bat cetai sumsau ni sungu sekali ba ilayo kini ka lumpung lakajong nakaba nakaliang usiem ba ka darbar yung ka Mynsiem kila ayangi tipi mentang ni kini ka lumpung kanang longgum ni kajing persang kajong hi kalong ban nang penba penjanai penditanat susu bat kamtam ban pene kerang ban ka Shad kalong buku pieng bat kaman sup na mentaki nongan pecah.